Yes, it's the same ugly case. No, I have not upgraded the CPU yet, but there are updates and benchmarks. Hello, I'm Noah from Anything Cameras, the channel that focuses on helping you improve your filming and photography. And today, as promised, I am updating you on my custom-built video editing PC. The price has gone from about $400 to about $500, I would say. So let's get into what's new in this computer. First off, as you see here, we have two memory sticks. These are both DDR4 8GB 2600 sticks. However, they are different models because the one I bought at the time was out of stock. But actually, the second one was cheaper, and they are both compatible, so that's good. Slight correction, actually, these sticks are 2666. Not 2600. Next up, you'll notice that the cable management is much worse. That's just because I have more cables. We have the same SSD here. Then we have 3 hard drives now. So I have a new WD Blue 7200 RPM 1TB drive here, a used Seagate 7200 RPM 1TB here, and another used Seagate 1TB 7200 RPM drive here. I also now have case fans, one here, 2 up top, and 1 in the front. There was one in the front before, but it was, as you might know from the last video, a pretty bad blue LED one, so I replaced that. Those are about all the updates in the hardware itself, but what I did not talk about last time was benchmarks. I have overclocked, as I briefly mentioned in the last video, I overclocked the CPU. I got it up to 3.925 gigahertz, and my Cinebench score went from about 1200 to 1411, I believe it was. You'll see the screenshot on the screen now. I also overclocked the memory to 2966 speeds instead of 2600 speeds. Slight correction, actually, these sticks are 2666. Not 2600. I also have NovaBench and Asus ROG benchmarking software. The scores are on the screen above, labeled before and after overclocking. But I believe those are about all the updates. It was meant to be a quick video filling in what I missed from last time and telling you what progress I had made this time. Future plans, I intend to get a Ryzen 3600 or 3600X to upgrade the 2200G soon, and also I'm going to get a new case and do better cable management. Those are about all my plans. If you have any recommendations or anything like that, let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.